I'm Dylan, I'm from Hertfordshire, I live in IQ Bristol, and I'm a musician. Music is just everything. It's my way of being able to get my emotions out on a plate, be able to show off my craft. It's my relaxation time, it's my happy time. It's incredible to be able to collaborate with other people as well and have other people appreciate your craft. I chose IQ because the location is just incredible. There's the music studio as well, which is offered, which is available as much as you want to use it. I'm 2 minutes away from pretty much everything, 2 minutes away from my university, from the local amenities, from my work. The staff are great, everyone from the reception staff to the security, they're just really, really friendly and welcoming people. It was nice for everyone to greet me and to make me feel at home straight away. I know that I can rely on all the staff here to really suit my needs and go the extra mile as well for me. IQ has really, really helped me focus on my music. I can bring so many people back, we can practice and rehearse whenever we want to. Everyone loves being here, it's such a social and happy space. Everyone feels comfortable, we can really get on with creative juices, creative vibes, get it all flowing really, really nicely. I made it my own by moving to a new city, by engulfing myself and throwing myself completely into the music scene. I've got all the facilities here to use, from the studio to the studio set up in my room as well, to record and just have as much fun as I possibly want.